Today's email security infrastructure is complex, costly, and ineffective. Organizations are juggling multiple tools, often disabling native protection just to make things work. And still, 89% of organizations see a business email compromise attack every week, with an average cost of $137,000 per incident, indicate how secure email gateways weren't built to stop today's advanced social engineer attacks. In contrast, Abnormal was built for today's threats. Through a simple API integration, Abnormal ingests thousands of signals from your email and SaaS stack to understand what normal communication looks like. This behavioral baseline enables Abnormal to detect anomalies and stop the entire range of email attacks, including never-before-seen threats. Instead of relying on static rules like legacy tools, Abnormal uses behavioral AI to detect threats with no manual tuning required. URL rewriting enhances this behavioral analysis by tracking how users interact with risky links. By capturing every click, bypass, or block, your security team gains the visibility needed to identify and address risky user behavior. Abnormal remediates threats the moment they are detected, removing risk before users can engage. In threat log, security teams see every message flagged by Abnormal. Each detection includes rich context, behavior signals, and anomaly insights, all in plain language that is easy to read and understand. Analysts also get access to full email content and AI-driven payload analysis. All of these insights help teams learn about emerging threat patterns across the organization. And with enterprise remediation settings, teams can customize how messages are handled based on judgment. Attack, spam, gray mail, or borderline. Actions are instantly enforced, no tickets, no waiting. When your team needs to investigate incidents at scale, Search and Respond provides a single interface to search, investigate, and remediate across your entire cloud tenant, including Microsoft Quarantine. There is no need to jump between tools or dashboards. Analysts can search by sender, subject, or recipient and inspect content and metadata. For Microsoft Quarantine, they can see the reason and policy that triggered the quarantine and take action on one or hundreds of emails instantly. Every action is fully logged for compliance, giving teams the speed they want and the control they need. All of this makes Abnormal the solution trusted by thousands of organizations, including more than 22% of the Fortune 500. Want to see how behavioral AI detects what others miss? Request your personalized demo today.